We do not do business and work and work and work and work and work and work. We do not do business to get money. That's for the cattle. We get money to do business. So they invented this thing. This thing is a person. Everything that you have, it has to have. You have a social security number, you have a phone number, go in and get one, two, three, four, $500,000 with this person. We control everything and we own nothing. Because
We don't start a business to make money. We get money to start a business to make money. So, unfortunately, some of us learned this too late because I actually started a business to make money, but then I also struggled to make money. So, we are leveraging credit. We are leveraging our C Corp or S Corp, not LLC. Okay, we are leveraging our S Corp or our C Corp so we can get funding. So, what we're doing here at Smart Start, we're helping people get $50,000. Now, if your business is not at least 2 years old, guess what? Now we can help you to build up your credit, right? And then you can get a personal loan with no interest for like up to 2 years, right? And then you can start to leverage that to help get some business funding. See, it's ways around everything, it's hacks around everything. So if you don't have your business for 2 years, right? Because we require that you have a business for at least 2 years, right? Then, um, then you got to have a certain score. If you don't have that score, we can show you how to get it. If you don't have your business for 2 years and your personal credit is all messed up, then guess what? We can help you get your personal credit right. Then once we help you get your personal credit right, give us about 90 days to 6 months to help you get your personal credit right. And then you can get a personal loan, right, for up to $50,000. Then you can use that personal loan money to start with your business. And then guess what? Then you can be in position to now join our Business Credit Academy, where we can show you literally, guys, how to get 100, 200, $300,000 for your business. I am living proof of it, right? Again, some of us learned this late, right? You don't start a business to get money. You leverage your credit, right? You leverage your credit, right? So that you can get some money, so you can start a business, so that you can make some money. So make sure you guys click the link. In my bio, you just go to jointanishamarie.com. There is a free business scan. Okay, a free business scan. If your business is not more than 2 years old, you will not qualify. But we also have loans for businesses that's been in business for 1 year, and we also have loans for businesses that are startup, right? So don't get discouraged, right? But again, if your credit is messed up, we can show you how to leverage your personal credit so that you can get. So make sure you go to jointanishamarie.com. Click on the free business scan. Okay, we have loans for startup businesses with interest free, businesses for 1 year, 2 years, working capital, real estate. We got loans for everything. We work with about 200 different banks, right? And all of them have, of course, the basic requirements, but all of them have their own requirements as well. And again, if you don't qualify for none of that, then again, you just join Smart Start, which is $27, and we give you a whole system, which is a business. We show you how to start building your credit. We show you how to start marketing online so that you can start to build, right? That's what it is, friends. We leverage credit. That's what it is. We're leveraging our credit so that we can have money. That's how it works, friends. That's how it truly, 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 truly works. So make sure you go to jointanishamarie.com, click on join my team, and I'll see you guys on the inside.